Hi, this is Kelly Martin with Home and Farms Realty. I'm super excited to tell you about this beautiful farmhouse situated in West Tennessee today. This beautiful farm is located just between Jackson and Memphis. It's in a great location just outside of town, not too far from airports and shopping. This property features over 28 acres, which is all fenced, circular driveway, and pastures, which are divided so that you can do rotational grazing. There's a beautiful 3-acre pond in the back of the property, which is great for your animals or just to go fishing. The home itself is your classic colonial home with a beautiful second floor balcony. This home also features a beautiful in-ground pool with a cabana, which is great for entertaining. On the property, you have 2 additional barns, which is great for your livestock. One of the barns does have stalls. Another one of the barns has an attached apartment. So welcome to this beautiful farm. We're excited to show you guys a tour.